Good morning, guys.
We're here in dirty kitchen.
Wow. Buenos dias. We are cooking right now. We have the rice to your right. Egg on the left. Longaniza. Cebuana, of course. And then, babe, what are you gonna do today? What's your plan?
I'm gonna go to the mayor's office.
Oh, she's gonna... What are you gonna do with that? You're gonna go to the mayor's for a permit? So yeah, they were telling us that with the was that the light company that was here or what? So the light company was here, and then
That's free. Hold on.
but they're gonna give us free materials so we can install the lights in our new home, like the plugs and all that, and it's only like around 500 for the requirements, right?
I'm not sure.
Something like that. But we don't have to go all the way to the city for transportation.
Babe, they're telling me that maybe they're gonna charge us more because our house is not wood, it's cemento.
Oh my god. So cemento is more?
Huh?
Maybe 501. So what time you gotta go? Okay, so we're gonna go after. We're gonna go after.
Going, babe. The guy is going too, so we're just gonna go with him. The guy, remember you said that?
Yeah.
The one who took me to the.
So, well, she's gonna go, and then I'm gonna do some cleaning, and then we're gonna make ice candy. So
Busy to die.
busy. We're gonna make some ice candy so we can sell. Alright, guys, follow us. Ya mero está el huevito. El huevito ya mero está. La china ya anda cocinando. Wow.
Cocina. We're here in cocina.
Cocina. Alright, guys. Don't forget to pack the like button, guys.
Like button.
Ta-da! Alright, so this is what we have. And you know the ceiling has to be. We're gonna watch a little bit of Korean drama. My baby has her plate over there. Let me pause it before it. She got her longaniza, her soy sauce, and everything.
How many? 5 seconds lang.
Yeah, that's fine. Now I'm here at the barber shop, guys, because look at this hair. Let's go. Let's go.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're on our way. Where are we going, Mau? We're going to our grandpa's house. I'm with my beautiful cousin here. Ay, mag-English ko, Mau, kaya ang mga subscribers mo dili ka sab. So I have to speak English kay no, kuya. Manos blade ko ani Zay.
Kita ba atong kamay? Ikaw kada lang atong gipang pagama. Atong pagabako na to. Una nga wala tong pagabako.
Ay, for sure di ko ka pa mo English ana mo. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Di ka mo ba? Pabili kami ninyo nun. Tulaag lang.
Guys, make sure you pack the like button, okay? Comment, subscribe. Make sure you watch all the vlogs, see the animals and all the mountains. It's beautiful. Alright, enjoy. Tada, let's go.
Video ko kay nasuguan ko. Wala, gibili na. Sa ito magipadala. Ano man ang galak man na to? Sa? Wala kanunon ba? Dali na, para mugaman yung tiyan. Gisugo. Magpahikap ra di ay. Alam mo, nakalimot man ko pag-vlog, naabot na lang ko mang gisugo. Daghan man ding tao diri. Honay, gatagbo raman mininuno na oy. Hala, ginoko. Chickens. Wala may prutas ron oy. Pang mga hagmong lagi daw kay nay daghang ilaga.
Palilang boy wala na. Kay dampasan naman na, wala naman. Asa to, wala na.
Kay ag sa diri bitan ni ko wala gid kay tibunga.
Karon wa na asa ka na sadaw magani niya kay. Karon wala na.
Pila ka ni kapunan nangutana ko ni tatay wa man siya kabalo eh.
Kana ko kapaingon diya sa ubos sa punuan na ng paingon dito. Straight. Kana mo po kana.
Abi ko uli si Pimpim.
Wala pa lagi, karon pa lagi, masih lagi.
Uli po to yang uyab.
Oo ba?
Hagbaka. Hagbaka gadagan-dagan. Mu. Nga sa man maghinay-hinay ta kay wala man. Sa una ngit-ngit baya danhi. Hayag na. Uy. Iyan ang mama. Mura magdili. Lahi jud color.
Tawa gani. Tara tambubuan sa taas.
Oo. Sada sit. Oo. Ay dili dito na yung mama dito. Pero gure mo dito katong dikot dito. Ano nga maabot makadriba. Bitawag na ka hoy. Tawag na ka uli dito mo mama.
Silo lang.
Ubos pa kayo na.
Dako naman na si Kuan eh.
Si Omar.
Si Omar.
Kaya ang ilang balay doon anak anak dia ang guguringan. Oy, yang
Kagisa ka ni Yuta diri no? Katani. Sanggion. Corn rice.
Mama sa SD sa Danau. Ilang pagkuan.
Kuya tong papa tong
Jadi siri. Dili dito ako sa dito. Amo nanda ang dito. Gihatag mo sa among lulo.
Hi guys.
Deta mula agya.
Ah,
Pero dai bata na ang pulangi. Ang gamay ka iba. Ang ayo.
Ang tambak na ko an. Tumura siya si Marito yung phone.
Ano sa mo nito?
Ano sa ko ini?
katani gid po na si Juanito. Igsuto sila tong gauna dili.